Welcome to Natural Healing Guys YouTube channel, everybody. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make your own acne scar scrub. This is going to help reduce your acne scar. I'm sure you must have watched our other video on how to use green tea to prevent acne and pimples breakout. If you have not watched that video, look in the description box below for the link to the video. This homemade remedy is going to help you reduce your acne scar. What you need is 2 to 3 green tea bags, 3 teaspoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of flour. Now here's the instruction part. Steep the tea bags in boiling water for at least 5 to 7 minutes. Cut the tea bags and take out the tea leaves. Once cooled, you're going to add the sugar and ground flour to that tea bags and mix together. Then the scrub is ready for use. Here is the application part. You're going to apply it all over your face, avoiding the sensitive area, and you're going to scrub it gently in a circular motion. You're going to keep this mask on for at least 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off. Use the scrub once a week to leave your skin exfoliated while reducing acne scars with time. You can add rose water and a pinch of turmeric to lighten the dark spots. You can use the remaining green tea water as a toner. Keep it in a jar and put it in the fridge for a week.